Hi guys, Mirrors, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to add reflection to glasses using Picsart. And this one is really effective, lalo na kung madilim yung paligid, then gusto nyo makikita yung reflection nga ng surroundings nyo dun sa glasses. Yun, pwede nyo itong gamitan. So, let's start. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.